So here's my pumpkin, it's boiling. I'm going to turn it off soon so we can see what goes on next. Just let it get tender. Today family, I'm back in my kitchen. This is some shrimp today, jumbo shrimp. That's marinated, cleaned, everything, and it's marinated in mango sauce with a little pinch of sea salt, prepared for the lovely sauce over here, which is my pumpkin that was boiled and pureed, and it's there bubbling. Okay, so now we have over here all the vegetables that's gonna go in. I'm gonna burn my curry first, and then I'm gonna add all of this goodness, so just follow me. Here I'm gonna drop some scallions, all the bell peppers, these are gonna go when I do the curry. I'm gonna add my curry and teaspoon. Okay, that should be enough. Like I said, I don't want it to burn, so we're going to keep stirring. Go down a little bit. Here I'm going to add my onions and my celery. So the shrimp is turning a little, pink, red, and so it's almost done. And I'm gonna cover that again. So my shrimp is done. And we're gonna just go to the pumpkin. Bring the pumpkin back. Let that come to. Then I add my shrimp. Here is my rice. It's looking good. Okay, that's done. That's finished. I'm gonna remove that. Turn that off. So here's the pumpkin. This thing is heavy now, you see. So I'm returning the shrimp back into the pumpkin now. All that goodness. Okay. Okay, we're gonna lower that too. So we don't want to overcook the shrimp. What I'm gonna do is add some black pepper. A little more. I'm gonna taste for salt. Could use some salt, so here I am with some sea salt. Should be enough. Family, you should smell this pumpkin and wow, shrimp. Pumpkin sauce. That's good. I think I could use a little bit more salt, family. Okay. And it's very spicy because the mango sauce had a lot of peppers that I marinate the shrimp in. So this is our shrimp cooked in pumpkin sauce. I'm gonna cover that up for a few minutes. And that should do it. Alright, this is all done. Look, family, here it is. Nice and juicy. Pumpkin curry sauce for those shrimp. Okay, this is a nice rainy day comfort food again in Shirley's kitchen. I'm turning over the plantains. These are sweet plantains, very ripe. And here we go. See you when I'm plating. Let me get spoon some nothing. Oh. So family, look at this delicious, awesome meal. And guess what? After this meal, you know we gotta have a good dessert. Let's eat.